Hi there, I'm Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I created this board and batten treatment inexpensively in my grandson's room with yardsticks. So come on in. So after staring at my grandson's wall, I decided that it was time to do something with it. As I mentioned in previous videos, the builder grade paint, I think they must have mixed it with water because it gets easily dirty. And anytime I would wipe it off or use a magic eraser, it would take it right down to the sheetrock. So it was time to do something. I decided what I was going to do was, since these yardsticks are already 3 feet tall or 36 inches, I would use it because it was perfect for resting against the bottom molding of the wall. So I spaced them every 16 inches apart. And for this, I only used the brad nailer to attach them to the walls. That way, if later on I decided that I didn't want it, it would be easier just to pop it off the wall, fill in the holes, and paint over it. I added a 1x3 to the top as the board and just butt the corners into each other. I didn't worry about mitering the corners, so it made it a lot easier. I then filled in all of the gaps and all of the nail holes with plastic wood. After I sanded the plastic wood, I primed one side of the wall. I decided it wasn't necessary, so I didn't prime the other side. But I applied bear paint in the color Alpaca Blanket. It's the same color that I used in the board and batten stairwell and on my entry wall. This color is great. It's a nice neutral and adds a pop of color to an ordinary just white wall. I love how it looked. I purposely didn't want to take the time to add the hardboard that I did on the entry wall downstairs, so you can see the texture underneath, and that's okay with me. It's my grandson's room. I really just wanted to be able to, if fingerprints or something dirty got on the wall, to be able to wipe it off. And this did the trick. It adds texture, it adds a really nice pop of color and a nice contrast to his wall. So it's perfect. And if my daughter and he end up moving, which I think she said that they would do at the end of next year around this time, it's a neutral enough color that maybe I could make it into a guest room or my office and add other colors to it. So it looks great. For the ends here near the window, I wanted to show you, I just mitered the end of that board 45 degrees just to give it a nice edge to it. And there you have it, an inexpensive way to apply board and batten to any wall. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also hit that notification bell. In the next video, I'm going to show you some organizational ideas for my grandson's toy storage and just decoration. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.